The Crested Jacana is a striking wetland bird known for its long legs, wide toes, and elegant crest. Found in freshwater marshes and lily-covered ponds, it walks easily across floating vegetation, earning the nickname Jesus bird. Its rich chestnut body contrasts beautifully with its black head and bright facial markings. Crested jacanas are devoted parents, with males often caring for the chicks. Graceful, unique, and perfectly adapted to life on the water, this bird adds beauty to every wetland it visits.